Alaikum. Good morning, kids. I am Manager Aisha, as you all know. So today I will be teaching you, yes, that's our early age reading skills. So we are going to revise on all the things that we taught you. Now we are going to start with the sounds of the alphabet. So here are the sounds. This one, as you all know, this is sound A. Sound A. And sound B. Sound B. Sound, sound, sound D. Sound D. Sound E. E. Sound, sound, sound good, sound good, sound, sound, sound E, sound E, and sound J, sound J, sound, sound. This is the long and the other is the short one. Sound L, sound L. And sound M, sound M. Sound N, sound N. Sound O, sound O. Sound, 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 and sound, sound. This is sound, 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 t, sound, t, sound up, sound up, sound, sound. Sound W, sound W, sound X, sound X, sound Y, sound Y, and sound S. I'm sure we are all familiar with this already in our non-retreat classes. So after this, V and the VC. That is, there are some that start with the vowel first, then they consonant. Vowel and so now let's start with the two phonetically sounded words. Remember, we are doing the revision. We have already know this. I'm very sure of it. This is B-A. B-A will give you what? Ba. B-A is what? Ba. B-A is ba. K-A is ka. L-A is la. B-A is be. C-A is se. V-A is ve. R-I is ri. L-I is li. M-I, me, and T-O, to, S-O, so, V-O, V-O, vo, V-O, wo, K-O, ko, and you-o, yo. We are already familiar with these two phonetically sounded words. Now, when we add another letter here, another sound here, now, how are we going to call it? This is ba, right? Ba with t. When you drop ba, 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 t, it will be bat. K-a, ka, t, cat. L-a, las, las. beg. We give you what? Beg. Sell. We give you sell. And remember, when you see this double L, it still means you don't pronounce it L. It's just all together. And this K is also sounding K. And also, it will give you, for example, leak is what? Leak. Meek. To tall. Let's use this as an example. To tall. Soft. To soft. We still give you soft. Is what? Verb. One. So let's just since it's revision, I'm sure you are used to this already. So now let's go to the next one, which is the bossy E. That is where we are currently. This is where we are currently, which is bossy E. We can call it bossy E, we can call it magic E, we can call it silent E, but I prefer to call it bossy E. So we all know how boss is, right? When they say somebody is bossy and all, feeling himself, so that's how this E is. So we all know the sounds, right? We all know the sound, but we also know their names. Here in Nursery, we have to know the sound as well as the name. So you all know this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So when there is a bossy E, the bossy E becomes bossy and make the vowels to change and carry its original name. For example, this is A, E, these are the vowels. So when there's a bossy E in a word, it makes sounds A to change to letter E, O to change to O, to change to U, and E to change to I. For example, this is bossy E. It always appears at the end of a word. So when there's a vowel here, this is a vowel. It makes A to be A. So A is what? Fake is what? Fake. That is what bossy E does. It makes the vowels to change. So here, this is the books we all use. Phonics is fun. We started it. So this is the first page. We have done it already. Second done. We are currently here. So this is what? This is kick. Let's spell this. This is bossy E. Now, so what will this do? It will make the vowel to change to its original name, which is K. A is what? K. Cake is what? Cake. So now, we are done with the A. So let's go to the next one, which is the I. Which is the I. Now, for example, this is R. Because of this bossy E, what will happen? This vowel, this E will change to I. It will change to I. It will be re. I, r. I is what? Ride. R. I is ride. Ride is what? Ride. The next one, this is page 8. This is where we are currently. Did you see it? This is ride. So let's go to the next one. Here, try joining it yourself. This is what? This is bossy E, so it will definitely change the vowels. This is I will give you what? Side. Side is what? Side. So simple. The next one is what? Because of bossy E, E will change to what? I. Word. I what is what? Wide. Wide is what? Wide. So that's it. Let's try reading the rest. Down, and then you copy it. You write it this right. You write it 3 times here. You recopy it. You save it. Try reading it and recopying it for the whole page. I think that will be your class fun. Let me say your home fun. And this is where we stop for a while. Make sure you do your home fun. You do everything, because I will definitely come to mark it. I will follow you all to your houses and mark it myself. So make sure you do the whole page, recopy it till we meet next time. Thank you. Bye.